traffic signals and signal and safety of family. We are discussing about the safety of family from traffic signals and signs. When hung vertical red light is always on top, look like this, and when hung horizontal red light is always on left. These are the traffic lights which are used in our day-to-day road life. We can view red light. Motorists must stop before the intersection or crosswalk and remain stopped until the light changes to green. Yellow light. A motorist should stop before entering the intersection or crosswalk unless his or her vehicle is so close to the intersection that it cannot be stopped safely. Third, green light. A motorist should pro- proceed through the intersection. Green arrow light. When shown alone or in combination with the red signal, proceed only as shown by the arrow. Be casual and yield to pedestrian. These are three types of green light which are present in the road light for traffic clearing. Flash yellow light. It shows and so slow down and proceed with care. It means when yellow light flashlight is used for any speed slowing indication for vehicles, for all vehicles, for our safety. And yellow red light is also for stop, yield to traffic and pedestrian go only when safe. Means red flashlight is used for warning or stop all the vehicles, and after all clearing this problem, after then you go. What is the light isn't work? Stop or if a signal does not have any bulb working and no one is directing traffic, look left and right, yield to traffic coming from the light right or left. Be careful and go only when safe. It means when a light's working, not working, then we can look left and right for any vehicle or motor motorist can not coming or not. Then we proceed further. Three types of signals or signs. Warning, warn motorists to hazard ahead that are difficult to see. Guidance, guide motorists to a destination by clearing identify the route. Regulatory, regulate traffic speed and movement. White sign, it shows the vertical rectangular box or example of speed sign. It shows the speed limit of this of the car or vehicle in that road. If your speed is above from a speed limit, if any accident can be occurred, it shows you will be must be in between speed limit and lower. Blue sign, rectangular or square shaped board. It show motorist service and information. In this figure, we show rest area. Means all vehicles are here store or parking or anything can be shown by this with the arrow sign. Brown sign, rectangular box shaped, and this is public recreation or scenic guidance. Means in this example, The picture shows a forest. It shows it in this direction. There is a forest, or you can go and enjoy and watch the forest and traveling. You should enjoy or watch travel in that forest and find anything from forest. Green sign, rectangular box also it is also, and it shows exit sign or a miles marker, means any every place that we in any supermarket or malls or any big complex apartments, we saw a green color signs for exit doors for coming out from this apartment or malls or anything, or any uh, fire occurring, then we go travel or go outside for this door, from this door. Orange sign, diamond shaped, and this always used in construction zones. So showing for construction zones, and that where anything anywhere some construction can be happen, then we show by this construction zone board in near the roads, outside the road, or so there is any construction is going on, not interrupted or not coming in that place. Red sign, octagonal, and it is showing for the stop sign. It means we are traveling from very more place, long distances. Then the red stop board can for showing there is a no further road, and the last stop and peak point. It is the peak point. Nothing is this road can be further going on, and you stop in that place now, and you decrease your speed of a vehicle. Yellow sign, pennant shape, no passing and warning sign, means it this road not going further. You stop, or you go you take u-turn and back to your place, uh, or going another way, you going by another way. This is not, this is not for this is not area to go, and warning for this zone, any for any reason. Yellow sign, pentagon, for a school signing. School signs, there is any school, and you drive slowly for children's, for safety of children. There are so many yellow signs: left, forward, U-turn, left not turn, and not parking, and there is curve road. These types of yellow signs also present. These are also in for warning. Red sign, speed limit, crossing, 8-degree inclination of road, or any other thing. Just like this. These are also warning signs. Any reaction, fire, or reactive substances present, anything. And this is the guideline, guidance. US route marker, state route marker, route marker, inter interstate. These are the guidance for the traffic rule, and these are the um, take minute, 1 minute, and these are the type. And the traffic sign in India, uh, mostly we cannot follow, but it is wrong. We follow the traffic signs because not you not follow any sign, then have an accident by chance, or it happens accident of your family. Be careful, and there is a many person overtaking sign, and no overtaking sign also it present. The no overtaking road sign is circular with a red border, means that it given driver an order no that overtaking restriction ends with the lines in the road change from continuous with white line to a broken line. And there is so many other signs for traffic roads or signals. We have declared all the traffic signals about traffic signals, and that's for all. But there are so many symbols also in traffic signals, and it means communicate with the road and users remains aware from basic traffic rules along with given warning and information about location and nearby amenities. Okay. And while there are countries traffic signals may have basic category, mandatory, cautionary, and informatory. However, they can be stored by color or saved. So many. And thank you. That's for all today. And I declare all the traffic signals about the traffic signals. Thank you.